What's your name and what's the name of your business?
My name's Joe Bueno, and my business is On Purpose Enterprises.
Perfect. And what did you think about ChatGPT before the mastermind?
I had a little bit of familiarity with it. Ironically enough, the day I found it was the day that Manuel had the first event here where he started talking about it. And I said, oh my God, that's crazy, you know? And so I've been coming back ever since.
Awesome. And did you learn enough this weekend that you can be confident in using ChatGPT for your business?
Oh yeah, absolutely. In fact, I feel like I need to unpack it because there's so much, you know, I feel like I've been stuffed into something that is so condensed that I have to sort of get some breathing space in order to isolate individual pieces of information because it's so compacted, that so densely compacted with valuable information that I can't even begin to separate it out yet.
Awesome. Thank you. And what did you think about the speaker specifically?
Yeah, I love Manuel. He's got that sort of insouciant, fun attitude with the base of intense interest and knowledge and care. So yeah, I love him. And Ted, I like too. He's very cool. I've seen him at a number of different events and stuff. So enjoyed him as well.
Great. Are you coming back to the next mastermind?
I'm talking with Rob about that. I'm trying to figure out if that next traffic thing is going to be relevant to what I'm doing, which is slightly different than I think the majority of the people here have some sort of an e-commerce type of approach, which reminds a different arena. So I'm going to check that out.
Awesome.
Yeah, being in con with him later this week.
All right, great.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank